Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of my English speaking challenge. If you watched my first video, day 1, thank you so much. If you are new here, don't worry, start from today because it is the best day to speak English. So, welcome back to SAR English. I'm your friend Ahmed and I'm from Surat, Gujarat, India. This is my day 2 of 30-day English speaking practice challenge where I speak English every day to improve my English fluency, confidence and English speaking skills. So on very first day I spoke English without fear and I know I made many mistakes and I also felt nervous but I don't worry about it. But you know what? I felt proud after recording the video because speaking English even with mistakes is better than not speaking at all. So today I want to talk about consistency. Many people start learning English. They start learning speaking English, but they stop after a few days. Why do they do so? Why does it happen? Because they want quick results. They want to speak English fluently within a few days, but it's impossible because English improvement takes time. It takes time to improve English fluency. It improves it little by little, day by day. You have to practice every single day. Then only you can improve your English speaking skills. So 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Okay, so let's do a small speaking practice together. Okay, I will speak some sentence and you will repeat after me. Okay, so now I am going to say the sentences. I'm learning English. Now you say, I'm learning English. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I will speak English every day. My English is improving day by day. Very good. If you can say these sentences, it means you are already improving. So remember one thing. People don't laugh at your English. In fact, they laugh at your fear. So confidence is more important than grammar. Grammar will improve automatically as you keep speaking. It improves with time, but for that you need practicing every single day. So confidence also improves when you speak. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So if you are watching this video, and that means if you are watching this video, it simply means that you are serious about your future. So don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking from today because perfect English doesn't exist. It maybe exist, but I have seen many native speakers making a lot of mistakes. So that is why I said perfect English doesn't exist. So start with broken English. Even broken English sometimes seems very fantastic. So you can also start with broken and small English, but speak with confidence because confidence is something which matters a lot. If you make a lot of mistakes but you speak with confidence, people will not focus on your mistakes. In fact, they will focus on your confidence. They will be happy. They would like to hear you because of your confidence, and they will also appreciate you. So if you are following this challenge, then like this video, subscribe to my channel. In fact, this is not my channel. It is also your channel. So do subscribe and comment day 2 done because your comment motivates me and it also helps my channel grow. And at the same time, I will also try to motivate you as much as I can. So this was the day of my English speaking journey. Tomorrow I will come with day 3 with more confidence and more energy. Until then, remember one thing, consistency creates confidence. So thank you for watching and spending your valuable time on this video. So keep practicing, keep speaking English every single day. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you.